In King Street Station in Seattle downtown, just near Chinatown. Last month on the 18th of December, the Amtrak derailed and killed 3 people. The inaugural train journey from Seattle to Portland took place at 5 in the morning. However, the engineer on this very route was very new. He did not do a demo of the route before. He did not have enough training on this specific route, and it was his first time to do this route. And the reason, revealed by the source, was the experienced engineers. Some of them have already retired and some of them would not do such route because it's too early. The accident took place because the engineer missed the post about 2 miles before the curves that said lower your speed to 30 miles. And he was going at speed of about 80 miles per hour, which was about 50 miles higher than the normal speed he should have been going on. 3 people lost their lives, 70 people injured. This is Sharif Sida, Local News, Seattle, Washington. There was a new inaugural flight. There was a new inaugural. What? Once the new tracks.